Yo, what's up guys, how's it going? It's Dude Talking It with a quick video, or a quicker-ish video. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but I am going to flex a little bit that I got the Splatoon 3 OLED Switch. Honestly, I wasn't going to get it, but some homies at the Target. I was looking for a frame because if you guys saw my Colossal Con haul post, I got a signature from the voice actor of Daki from Demon Slayer, the Demon number 6. Ooh, excuse me. So I was looking for a frame for that, and when I was at Target this morning, because I woke up pretty early, the guy was like, "Hey, we got a thing that we know you'd like." I mean, obviously I got my Splatoon colors on, so you know that was kind of obvious. So luckily they know me. I've like talked to that little gamer side for a while. But anyway, I'm gonna really bore you with the details because your boy's excited to like get his new Switch going. So yeah, we're gonna do a little unboxing and whatnot, because I actually haven't done an unboxing video in a while, so figured it was time. I know I'm still working on my Colossal Con video, but I can literally finish this video in a day. But just of course want to give you a reminder, don't forget to check out my streams on Twitch. I think I'm gonna focus on Twitch a little bit more now. I feel like Facebook kind of like died off in terms of streaming. They kind of like push their big guys and that's it. Doesn't seem like they care about anything else anymore, so I'm gonna kind of focus just on Twitch side. But yeah, don't forget to check out that when I'm gonna be streaming that tomorrow. I'm trying to get this video out today. But anyway, you know, all that stuff and jazz. But let's go ahead. Let's actually get this bad boy unboxed. That way I can get back to work, because I'm doing this video shoot on my lunch break. Alright, so we're going to do it at this weird angle. I'm kind of standing up a bit, but you know, it's all good. Like I said, I'm doing this on my lunch break. So, but we're just going to get right into it. I mean, obviously the box. I mean, I posted pictures up on the socials. You guys know what that looks like, so on and so forth. Looks gorgeous, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, but this is just a standard Switch OLED. I mean, I have the first gen model, so I don't necessarily have the good battery, so I don't know, everybody's saying that if you have the first gen model, this is definitely a good upgrade because you got a longer battery life as well as new OLED screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh man, it's been a while since I did the unboxings. But yes, here's this puppy. Ooh, I do like the gradient, and of course you got like the squid designs on the back. Oh shoot, it's falling out. But yeah, I do like how bright yellow that is. That's really cool. Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit bright, but that's basically the yellow one. And again, you can see kind of like that squid pattern. Okay, oh, it's falling out. Okay, here's the blue / purple one. I definitely like this one a lot more as well in terms of like the gradient and whatnot. I'll just get a zoom in shot on that one. Okay, you can tell like the light kind of like diffuses it a bit. I mean, but you know, you still get that cool like bluish purple gradient, and of course you get the tentacle design on the back, so that's pretty nice. Alright, so this is the part that I was pretty excited for, the OLED device itself. Excuse that fingerprint, I already put one on there just from like making sure everything's easier access. But this part that I was really like happy about and interested in is just this what do you call it, like back. I do like how much stronger like this part feels. Oh, doesn't feel as flimsy as the other one. It's just like a nice, obviously you got the SD card and stuff in there, but no, it's just like pretty cool. I like how you got like the logos and everything like that. It definitely looks like a skateboarder like thingamajigger bobber. So yeah, let's go ahead and set this back in the bag so that way we can look at the actual case, and then we'll just do my outro, because your boy's gotta get back to work soon. Right, so this one I had to go just a little bit darker so that way you can kind of see the case and everything like that, so do bear with the lighting. But yeah, this is the Switch dock. I like how it's white. I really like the designs and everything on it. That's really cool. Really, and I like how you got the little squid logo right there. Really tickles the pickle. Oh no. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but yeah. No, it looks like it. There's no hinges on it or anything. So yeah, you got the HDMI, the Ethernet adapter, which was really cool. Again, I don't like how it just snaps off. I wish it just kind of like did like a fold clamshell design like the other one. This side's pretty just standard. It's interesting is that it's very glossy on the inside, like on the inside black. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, man, I do like this. Like I said, this is apparently a decent upgrade from what I currently have in terms of battery life and obviously screen. So I'll probably start the transfer here pretty soon while I continue to work. And yeah, just freaking Can't wait to get this baby set up after my shift's over. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go through the outro so that way we can go ahead and call it Gucci. Alright guys, so that's it for me. Like I said, I just want to kind of make this quick video just to kind of get it out there. I haven't done an unboxing in a while and I was just really getting the itch too. So yes, thank you everybody for stopping by. Like I said, Colossal Con video is being worked on. It's just this video takes like literally less than a day to make, whereas the Colossal Con takes weeks because all the special effects and the slow-mos and the color correction and all that. But anyway, so yeah, catch me this weekend for some Splatoon 2 and 3 streams, because of obviously that Splatfest is this weekend, the world premiere and whatnot. So hope to see you out on the turf. You know, watch yourself. So you know, I might go a little try hard this weekend depending. But yeah, Otakunator streams is where you're gonna find me. I'm gonna try to do it mostly on Twitch, because like I said, Facebook's just been kind of dying off in terms of that, unfortunately. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by the streams. You know, just you guys being there and shooting the shit in chat makes it worth it. But anyway, I gotta get back to work, because like I said, I was shooting this on my lunch break because I knew it wouldn't take that long. But in the meantime, have yourselves a great day, night, week, whatever. See you next time, and hope to see you for the Colossal Con video as well as the streams. Bye now.